All right, the big day is finally here. RLUSD going live, and it looks like the XRP price is pumping a bit because of that. So let's see how it goes. I wonder if it will go live on the stream. 1970, good to see you. Roger, Incredible Bull, RPM, Crypto Clay. No, the volume is actually good this time, RPM. It's the first time I have ever actually made sure it was working prior to jumping on. Appreciate you for putting it there, though. That's really what I need. It's that nice early, hey, check the volume. Oh, let's go. There's a ton of people here right now. You streaming to the opening bell? I normally come pretty close to it. And then I have to go do some other thing. So we'll get pretty close to that opening bell. See if we can touch it, but right around there. We got CNBC on right here in case they talk about absolutely anything interesting. I doubt they will, but Chadwick, good to see you. Jay Coat. All right, let me do a couple more things on the stream here. Got to make sure I can actually see you guys. The X chat going because I know Mr. I and Vet will be in the X chat. Lots of people talking about RLUSD going live and the pump for XRP because of that. It will certainly be interesting to see. Silver Days in the house. Let's go, Silver Days. Adam Beetle, good to see you. Wow, the chat is ripping. We already have 600 people here, guys. Make sure to smash the like button. Really appreciate you guys all for being here. I mean, this thing is popping off quick. Let's take advantage of it, right? Let's use this momentum. Let's get some more people in on XRP. Let's talk about it, and we'll be watching the price chart as well. We had a nice little pump this morning. Nothing overly exciting happening at the moment, but we're probably overdue for another pretty big move here. Moon suits ready. Damn, it's hard to even keep up with the chat right now. It's moving so quickly. Merry Christmas, you filthy rich animals. Love that. I want to put a bet out there, but I don't know if this bet will be able to go. It's not going to be able to go across all the different services. I want to start a poll, though. Let's see. All right, just started up the poll in the vertical stream. I don't know if people are going to get that in the horizontal stream. Or it's just started the poll in the horizontal stream. I don't know if it's going to come in the vertical stream. Just want to know what people think about how much money will be in RLUSD within the first couple months. Why does market cap affect the price of XRP when AVAX market cap is so low, but it's a high price? Thinking, what say you? So market cap is just the price of the token times the total supply. So market cap is really just a way to compare one cryptocurrency against another. I don't know if I fully understand the question, to be honest, but market cap, I wouldn't pay too much attention to it other than the fact that it gives you an idea of like the size of a project. It means something, but market cap, you shouldn't look at something and say it can only get this big because of market cap. The only thing market cap does, and I'll just do it real quick. I'll show you. The only thing market cap really does is it lets us rank these tokens. It lets us rank these tokens like this. Like, this is what market cap does. It lets us rank the tokens. Other than that, market cap doesn't do much. Like, the reason why Bitcoin's price is so high is because there's very little Bitcoin out there. The reason why XRP's price is low in comparison to Bitcoin is because there's a lot more XRP in existence. So market cap is just the total amount times the price. So if Bitcoin was trading at $1 million, then the market cap would be $1 million times 21 million for the amount of Bitcoin. Pretty simple equation. The biggest thing people make a mistake of doing is people like to say, oh, XRP can only go this high because of the market cap. It's important to realize that the market cap is just a way to compare one cryptocurrency to another. Daily volume is a better metric. Yeah, daily volume. There's a lot of better metrics out there than market cap. Market cap is really just like to compare the size of one cryptocurrency against another, but daily volume is a pretty good one. Oh, it looks like it did start a poll in both. That's funny. Funny how that works. What does this goal thing do? Poll? Huh. Looks like a lot of people are thinking over 1 billion. Love that. Thanks, Gary. I appreciate that. And it's funny your name is Thanks, Gary. Thanks, Gary. Thanks, Gary. Market cap is just an illusion. All fake stats and manipulation. Well, the stats are real. I just think people don't understand the importance of it. The way I see XRP is going crazy if they continue. That is why I don't think it will be anything available. What you've been buying today and what do you think about it? I haven't really been buying anything today. I've been purchasing XRP for a very long time. And now it's kind of just sitting back and watching it, but yeah, to be completely honest, buying a $2.68 XRP after buying XRP below 50 cents for 4 years. I can't say it's like I'm dying to go get some $2.68 XRP. But if you're new here, right, it's not a terrible price. It's not like it's still not a good price over the long run. Like, I think a lot of people in this chat and in this community think XRP is going to be $100 plus. So like, if it goes to $100, are you really that upset about getting a $2.68 XRP? Maybe not. You just have to realize that there's going to be volatility along the way, right? Like, even when I was buying at 50 cents or 38 cents, like, there was times it went to 14 cents, right? So like, you could always have that volatility, and you always got to be careful of it. But as long as you're long-term focused, then you'll do fine. If you're buying XRP right now at $2.68 and you don't think it could possibly go to $1, then you're probably making a mistake. You're probably making a mistake. Take a look at the daily chart here. Oh, wow. I didn't even realize we still have so much room to go to really get a big breakout here. All right, well, we're still below some of these previous highs. Take a look at this. So, yeah, we're still down below this. So we could break out pretty hard here. I didn't realize we were still in the process of doing that. So our all-time high is around 290-ish. So we'll probably make a push on that at some point today. As this candle continues to develop, it looks like we've got a lot of momentum kind of to start the day. And then the thing to watch is going to be what happens when RLUSD actually goes live. What are we going to see in terms of volume coming in? Is there going to be a bunch of big buys? Are we going to see billions flowing in? Are we going to see a couple tens of millions? I think that's going to be the big determining factor in what price does for the rest of the day. Ripple tweeted, "Yo, it's live." Oh man. Oh, it's live. Let's go. Let's watch this video. Oh, that's crazy. Yo, spam RLUSD in the chat. Let's spam it in the chat. Let's go. That's fire. Right on stream. Let's go. On stream is crazy. I'm so hyped. All right.
In a world of chaos and complexity, how does nature always seem to get it right? Some things go beyond random chance or happy accidents. Progress takes years of innovation, adaptation, and intuition. There are no shortcuts, just the right way. Experience. Introducing our new stablecoin. This is Ripple USD.
You guys not hear that? Let's go. Yeah, it might have been a little. It might have been a little low. That's whatever. Just a promo video. I can't believe it. Let's go. I wonder if XRP is doing anything. Okay, so XRP's it's live. XRP, no big reaction yet. I was curious because the market obviously ran up with. Oh, here comes a bit of buying volume. Let's say it just got announced. It's going to be interesting to see if people start coming in. This has been some kind of catalyst. Oh, we can monitor RLUSD on the DEX also. Yo, let's get that going. I want to watch RLUSD on the DEX. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry about the volume. I'll keep that in mind for the next time. RLUSD. Where's the best place to watch RLUSD? CoinGecko doesn't have it yet. CoinMarket doesn't have it yet. I probably have to go directly to the DEX. Which means what? First Ledger? XP Market, thank you so much. XP Market, can I watch RLUSD on... Can I watch the price on XP Market? XP Market, people are saying? Let me see if I can pull it there. Okay, perfect. Oh, let's go. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, so this is XRP to RLUSD right now. This is XRP to RLUSD. We want XRP. We want dollar to USD. Or does it make a huge difference? Okay, it looks like it's stabilizing. So we got a $2.68. Okay, this isn't necessarily the chart I want yet. How do I get out of here? RLUSD XRP. I just want to watch the peg real quick. $2.68. I saw RLUSD trading at 120. It was 120 earlier. Stabilized at $1 now. Okay, so we're essentially stabilized. Very cool. Order book chart. Yeah, RLUSD is officially live. Damn, I just can't find a great viewpoint of it because obviously it's so early. And XRP is volatile too. So the only way to really look at this is to compare what we're getting the price here, 268 against 269.47, 268.8. Okay. I mean, it's obviously now pegged at that dollar. That's awesome. Let's take a look at what's going on X real quick. Let's go. It's crazy to see. I love watching products go live and be able to. Oh, it's going crazy. I want to see AUM coming in. What's the best place to see AUM coming in? Bro, can I make it night mode? I will. I'm just trying to find a market. It's not going to be on CoinMarketCap today. Does anyone know a place I can watch how much gets minted? Not on Uphold yet. Just bought RLUSD on Xamin. I'm trying to find a place that we can like watch the mint. Watch the actual minting of it. RLUSD $7 on Coinbase. We'll find it. We'll find it. Yeah, just don't, unless CoinMarketCap, I just don't have a way yet to see how much money's flowing in. That's what I would love to see. What the heck? Apparently TikTok saying that I'm using unoriginal content right now. Crazy. See what Vet has? Let me see. Yeah, I'll see if a better site comes up to be able to track. Here's the price of XRP right now. What time does RLUSD go live? It's already live. RLUSD is officially live. Just waiting to see if we can track the mint somewhere. I want to track the market cap. Think we're gonna dump? We'll see. We shall see what ends up happening here. Just got 26.8 for 10 XRP. Yeah, a lot of people are just purchasing some RLUSD right now. RLUSD is live on XP Market. Absolutely. Great place to get some RLUSD. Oh, wow. $272 million worth of XRP shorts will be liquidated at $3. Dude, I want to see it live on CoinMarketCap so I can actually track the market cap of RLUSD. Say RLUSD. RLUSD. Yeah, it's not tracked yet. We got it in XP Market, but I don't think XP Market has a way to change to market cap. It just has the price of XRP in RLUSD. Oh, there is. Okay. I don't think these stats are correct. I don't think these stats are correct yet, but what we have is 1.2 million already minted. 1.3 mil. So total of 13 million right now. Let's see. Yeah, because this only has 13 holders on it, and there's got to be more than 13 holders. I'll tell you that right now. I see a lot of people. I see a lot of people getting in on this, so there's probably more than 13 holders. Let's see where this pulls me. Yeah, so it might just be too early to be trying to look at some of these stats. Oh, market cap stats are updated every 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, thank you, XP Market. So we'll check in there. We'll keep checking in there. No, I appreciate that. Don't FOMO into RLUSD. Yeah, you got to be careful. You got to be careful to FOMO with something like RLUSD because obviously there's not a huge advantage to being early. So just be careful. How long do you think it's going to take for RLUSD to become the #1 coin on the XRP ledger? I wonder how long people think. Is this going to be something that happens very quickly? Why would XRP drop if RLUSD? Well, I don't think XRP really. I mean, if we just look at a longer time frame, we can see that XRP is at a nice little pump right here. We'll see what happens. I think the market's waiting to see like how much money flows into RLUSD, right? Like how much volume is there? How significant is it? And if it's significant and big, then I think people will continue to purchase XRP to try to play RLUSD. So 26,000 trust lines right now. We're waiting on these stats to update from market cap. 10 to 15 minutes, XPM said, will give us a first data point on how many people are getting involved. That's what I'm curious on right now. XRP's price right now really hasn't done anything exciting. Oh, thank you, RPM. Let me check that out. So this website you sent me, RPM, has RLUSD currently trading at $2. somewhere between $2.30 and 0.5 and 0.4 cents. So the price is still stabilizing. This is exactly what I was looking for. Awesome. Let me pull this up. This is exactly what I was looking for. Coin brain. RLUSD. What the heck? Coin brain. Coin brain coins. Why is this so hard to find? RLUSD. It shouldn't be this hard to grab. RLUSD. All right, so this is what I'm seeing right now. So this should be RLUSD against USD. And if I'm looking at this correctly, we are oscillating right now somewhere between a $2.36 RLUSD and a 0.4 cent RLUSD. So there we go. So we definitely have some crazy volatility and some crazy ranges right now for RLUSD. So it doesn't look like it's stabilized at that dollar yet. Let's see if we can get a full chart since it launched. This is crazy. Okay. So it launched at around 40 cents, came up, stabilized around $1, and now it's doing this crazy thing where it's bouncing in between these ranges. So this will be interesting to watch. This gives us our first view of RLUSD against the dollar. It's supposed to be one USD equals one RLUSD, but it's going to take a minute for that to actually stabilize and for that price to actually set in there. Although I don't think this is correct, actually. I actually don't think this is correct. I'm looking at a post by Vet right now. By Vet right now, and he posted that it's stabilized. So maybe this actually isn't correct. I apologize for that. I don't think this is actually correct, because if I take a look at what Vet put on Twitter, he put out this post right here. Perfect peg. So Vet is posting that we've already kind of pegged to $1. Maybe I'll be able to see it through First Ledger. Let's see. It looked like Vet was looking at it there through First Ledger. So let me give that a try. RLUSD. Oh, this has got to be it. Yeah, this is definitely it. Okay. I don't think I can get a chart though. Uphold goes live on the 18th. Yeah, so I have about a $13 million market cap right now. Let's go back and compare that to XP market. Oh, okay, so XP market already has 1,000 holders on RLUSD. Already 1,000 holders on RLUSD. I don't know if these market, it doesn't look like the market cap is updated yet. Looks like we're still waiting for an update on XP market. First Ledger is showing a $13 million market cap right now, which in my opinion is a pretty great start. We're also getting the first couple charts here for RLUSD. So that's also great. It looks like RLUSD has now pegged to the dollar. So we do already have the dollar peg on RLUSD. And we also have, looks like $13 million market cap. So this is great. No, this is great. It looks like we're already perfectly pegged to the dollar on RLUSD. So this is a fantastic start. This is a fantastic start. Yeah, so we're sitting at $1 here. We got some good volume, looks like, flowing in. I'm curious. I want to see some updated figures on market cap. Traffic is probably crazy right now. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Still don't feel like I have a great way to monitor this market cap in real time. I'm watching Vet's Twitter real quick to see if I get anything. Like I just need I need to watch if there's a single place I can watch mints. Like XRP is looking pretty good. I think the entire market right now is waiting to see like how much of this stuff's going to be minted. Like what's that initial volume? RLUSD was listed to the New York FDS website. Wow. That's big. Looks like it's really already getting that notoriety from the regulator. Already 130,000 for volume on the XRP Ledger DEX for RLUSD. No live market cap yet, though. Still trying to find that. Let's take a look at XP Market and see if we can get any updated stats. No, we have 1,000 holders, but we still don't know any actual in-depth stats on RLUSD yet. The peg is being maintained, which is good, but we don't know what the market cap is. I really want to know. I really want to know the market cap. Boca G says you bought our RLUSD just to increase the market cap. Looks like everyone's getting in on some RLUSD. I'm just happy to see that peg working. That's the most important thing. That peg in action is the most important thing. Looks like 903 holders right now. Like a lot of people are coming in. Ask AI what the market cap is. AI is not going to be updated. AI is not going to be updated with the proper information yet. I don't know if there really is this information out there right now. Guys, make sure to celebrate. You drop a like for RLUSD going live today. Obviously, very, very exciting. Huge development for the XRP Ledger ecosystem. Huge development in terms of bringing more liquidity to the XRP Ledger. So make sure to smash the like button for that. Don't have any great stats yet still on market cap. We'll continue to watch it and see if something pops up. First Ledger is showing 13 million-ish. I just don't know what that really means right now. XRP is also looking good from a chart perspective. Magnetic for market cap? I can do that. Yeah, they're all different. Magnetic has 5 million. And Magnetic that trading view. Yeah, there's just no one, it seems like, has it yet. Magnetic saying 5 million. First Ledger is saying 13. XPM is also saying 13. So just nothing too reliable yet we can look at in terms of what the price is. Is XPM down? So we got a $1 RLUSD. That's the big thing. But what we're yet to see is any real statistics. Yeah. Yeah, not much yet. Only a very small amount of XRP has been burned thus far, but over time, a lot more RLUSD will be burned as the XRP ledger continues to gain adoption. So RLUSD will burn XRP, and so will all activities done on the XRP ledger. There's some great memes going on right now. Just double checking what Vet's doing real quick. All right. I can't buy on MoonPay, getting an error message. Yeah, I'm sure everything's going to be a little glitchy this first day. Just be super careful, right? If you guys are like rushing to buy RLUSD, understand that there is no rush and make sure you're not trusting any wrong people in the process of trying to get some RLUSD, right? There's probably going to be a lot of people out there trying to scam you and try to get access to your funds by tricking you into thinking they can help you get access to RLUSD. So just be very careful of that. XRP keeps getting rejected when it hits 270. Yeah, there's some pretty strong there is definitely some resistance out there, but and we'll break through it eventually. Here's a little bit more zoomed out view. So for everyone saying XRP is dropping, I don't know about that. Sitting almost very, very close to putting in a new all-time high. We kind of just got to break through this band right here. I think that's going to get done if we get a good look at what's actually being minted right now. And if it's a lot, then I think we're going to see a significant increase in XRP's price as people now look at the XRP ledger as a very important network for stablecoins. Continue to zoom in here. $8,000 new XRP wallets. Wow. That's insane. See if we can get any updated market cap numbers. Really what I want to see. Nope, nothing on XP market yet. First ledger, what do you got for us? First ledger. No, nothing's updating right now. I think all the systems are just overwhelmed by so many people coming in. Will RLUSD be available on Coinbase? Probably at some point. I don't think initially. Insane. I was expecting more than 8,000 wallets. More than 8,000 wallets in less than half an hour. I mean, not everyone was sitting there waiting for it to go live to put it up. So I think it's a really good number. Oh, there was an RLUSD NFT. Very cool. I didn't know that happened on XP Market. Do you believe in market manipulation? Well, you have to believe in market manipulation. Of course, there's market manipulation. But charts still matter, right? You can't. It's a free market at the end of the day. There's market manipulation, but ultimately, the market will essentially take over. So market manipulation is normally for a short period of time until something happens that really breaks that manipulation and the market reflects real value. RLUSD is available on Coinbase Wallet. MoonPay Live. Someone find me somewhere where I can track the market cap. How much XRP gets burned in every transaction? Dex tools. $160 more wallets since Mickle mentioned it. Why are people wanting to buy RLUSD? I think just to get access to some of the action. XRP selling off now? Yeah, it's got a very little sell off. Michael, thank you so much for becoming a member. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can check Dex tools. I doubt it's going to be on Dex tools. Yeah, I think RLUSD will be on Coinbase eventually. They probably just want to see it launch first. CoinGecko, is it on there yet though? Last couple times I checked CoinGecko, it wasn't there. Texas Sweet Tea, thank you so much. Yeah, it's still not on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, still not on. Thank you so much for the donation, Texas Sweet Tea. Yeah, it's just not being reflected. Could check RLUSD on CoinBrain. I think I checked there earlier and it wasn't there. YouTube. Yeah, this one's wrong too. This has unless this is the wrong RLUSD. I kind of hate this website. Why is it so hard to find stuff? Coinbase has RLUSD back to 11. Check RLUSD on MoonPay. I just don't think I'm going to see anything interesting on MoonPay. Yeah, you would think it'd be easier to find. I thought this was going to be, we'd be able to just watch the market cap, but it's pretty hard to find any stats right now. We'll check XP Market again, see if they have any numbers updated. No, just no real updates on any numbers right now. I mean, it's good. We know it's pegged to $1. Yeah, for people in X, I'm reading as many chats as I can. I've got a TikTok chat going, to YouTube and X, so I read as many chats as possible. I mean, if people want to pay to make sure they get their thing read, that's always acceptable. And of course, if someone pays, I'm going to read their chat, but there's only so many I can answer at once. I'm just trying to find a website that lets me see market cap. Brian Wolf, thank you so much. He says make sure everyone likes and subscribes. Really appreciate that, Brian. It helps so much and helps educate more people on XRP. So thank you. So many people are buying RLUSD. Whoa. The New York Stock Exchange just tweeted about Ripple's new stablecoin. The New York Stock Exchange just tweeted, as the Fed meeting begins, tune in for insights on retail sales, Ripple's new stablecoin, and more. Very interesting. Happy launch day, Dirt Nap. Thank you. So far, no website will show. Yeah, no website will show a lot of the data we're looking for right now, but it's very early, right? Until CoinMarketCap really gets things up and running. Because I think CoinMarketCap needs to pull data directly from Ripple, because it's being minted on Ethereum and the XRP ledger. So it's important to realize that like you have to like add up those two numbers to figure out the real market cap of RLUSD. It just doesn't look like anyone's putting those numbers out there yet. CoinMarketCap sleeping. Yeah, they normally come in like a little later. Also, I know Ripple has to pay to essentially get listed, RLUSD listed on CoinMarketCap. So, I'm sure they will, but I don't know if that's like been done yet, if they have to wait for it to go live yet. Where is the stats? Where are the stats? Why can't I see anything? RLUSD first ledger market cap is still 13 million. It's interesting that the New York Stock Exchange tweeted out about Ripple's new stablecoin. Someone said the New York Stock Exchange wants to be the place where Ripple IPOs. Yeah, probably. Looks like XRP's doing a bit of a recovery right now also. So let's see where that lands us, since apparently 467 on CMC. Is it on CoinMarketCap now? I just looked at CoinMarketCap and it wasn't even on there. If I check again, it better be there. I don't see it. NYSE saying it's huge.
Will be for there's still
decision of the is in the name of John.
In the model and the chip around generative AI, but what we really have
Doesn't look like they're talking about it yet. NYSE TV. Interesting. I do need a Snickers. I need to just see the freaking market cap of this token. That's all I want to know. I want to know how much has been minted. I think DAI said 3 trillion. It was I'll tell you one thing, it's not 3 trillion. It's somewhere probably between 13 million and 3 trillion. Ripple confirmed on their last tweet RLUSD is live on MoonPay. Yeah, but MoonPay is more of just an off and on ramp. MoonPay is not going to have any market cap things. There can't be any more Snickers talk here. There cannot be a repeat of that situation. All right, if we can put in a candle and get above 270, we're going to be looking really, really good. Isn't it so funny that people were talking about XRP dumping? Yeah, just none of the numbers for market cap are really updating in real time. They're just very laggy, so it's hard to get any good view on what it actually is. I mean, the most important piece of news is that we pegged. Like, getting that peg was the most important thing. The last thing you wanted to see was that the coin like depegged or something. Yeah, I saw Gordon saying you can short XRP. It's so funny how like there's a million different great coins out there you can short, and you choose to short XRP. Like, talk about a joke. Oh, I guess they want to talk about it on the morning finance space. All right, let's see if I can do this live.
NAV of ExxonMobil is whatever the reserves in the ground that they own are. I mean, there are metrics for the business. Honest will answer this better than I will. P1, P2, P3 reserves, right? Likelihood of being able to extract. You go ahead and, you know, figure out what the cost of extraction are. Plus, they own a bunch of property, plant, and equipment as well. And then there's intangibles, but I'm sure you don't want to hear that. Right. By the way, Gary, I'm on your side when it comes to this argument.
No, listen, I think this is a really good discussion, though. When you look at, and I'm not trying to be argumentative, I have a monster investment in all of these right now. And MicroStrategy fails, I think it will impact Bitcoin. So my question.
So someone told me they wanted me to come up here. We'll see.
I do believe that the P1, P2, the reserves that you spoke about, that's how they're measured. They go to big consulting firms. ExxonMobil does. They say, hey, we think our reserves are 8 trillion units of energy. Therefore, the base value, the net asset value of those resources are worth X. ExxonMobil always trades at a premium to whatever their reserve base is.
ExxonMobil does. Other companies don't necessarily. Yeah, they don't. Exxon will.
I'm using a refining system because I think that is relevant to what we're talking about. They take energy and then they have a tremendous amount of intel from all their complex. That's worth some value to their stock. They have a.
We'll see if anyone actually wants to talk about it.
I just don't. My point is, I don't think the definition of NAV stagnant. Like if it was one number that you could apply across all entities, I'm with you.
I think Sailor.
I'm gonna save you guys until they might actually talk about something interesting. When they talk about something interesting, if they go to RLUSD, I'll talk about it, but I don't have a lot of time here, unfortunately. Yeah, people they're like, "Hey, Mickle, you need to show up." So I was like, "I'm here." Now someone asked me a question. They're talking about oil and Michael Saylor. Like, thanks. Yeah, I think it is it is the guy who didn't know who Tether was. Two people asked me to come up. One of them was Mario. So I mean, like, hopefully someone asks me something in the next 5 minutes here, or else I'm gonna be like, all right, see you guys later. Guys, we're not dumping. Look at the chart. There's no dumping going on.
So you either get it and you that this is going to go and be in other entities, or you believe that he's the only one that's going to take up this argument, and eventually we all know.
Oh my God, they're talking about nothing. Just let me talk about XRP. No, I'm saving you guys from having to hear what they're talking about. It's not that interesting. I'll put them on as soon as we start talking about Ripple and XRP.
That's not what I'm saying. It's just not worth 2.8 to 3 times the amount of Bitcoin they're holding. That is literally the point I'm trying to make. I'm saying it's overvalued. That is all I'm trying to say, Gary. So,
well, then maybe you should take the other side of it. But let me ask you this question: since we don't have can we agree that NAV is a definition that is not solid? It has all kind of variables to it. So that's just, let me put that aside. If I had, let's pretend that Gary Cardone LLC has 1,000 Bitcoin. And I tell everybody, hey, I've got 1,000 Bitcoin in this LLC, and I can raise money till the end of time at zero cost to me. Would you invest with me? What's that 1,000 Bitcoin worth today? It's $107 million. Would you pay more than the net asset value of 107 million today, knowing that I could get free money or zero cost of money for 1 day or 7 years, however long I get it? Would you invest in that company at a premium to the net asset value?
absolutely.
Good. When would
But
you
not
stop?
3 times.
Okay. When would you stop? Because it's zero cost. Dude, you raise businesses. If you had zero cost of capital, Danish, you could build businesses forever. Couldn't you?
I understand that, but you would still hold.
You agree though. That is the principle, right? Money, the fuel in the tank, if it costs you less than everybody else, you're going to go further than everyone else. Is that fair? I mean,
again,
you're saying the strategy is not working. We have 180 companies adopting this strategy right now.
If Bitcoin drops to 70,000, he will not be able to raise that same money.
Exactly.
I agree with that.
There is no way on God's green earth someone's going to go, I want a $672 strike price on MicroStrategy, and it falls to 70,000. Those people are not going to put in again. There's no way on God's green earth anyone's going to do it.
Yes.
So that's the problem, right?
Great.
And I'm not saying it's going to happen. Like, I don't know if it's going to happen, but if it does, his cash crop is gone.
And the beautiful thing is that we've got all these.
Hang tight though, David. David, let me ask you: if you had 4 years of free money in the billions and billions, I am not assuming that he's going to get free money forever and ever and ever. Right now.
You're right, and I would agree with that statement.
It's still a trade, dude. It's still like, whoa, he's getting free money.
I would agree.
Have you ever seen anyone get zero cost of money? I've never seen this before. And as an entrepreneur, I'm like, wow, can I get some of that shit? Because I'd have to be an idiot not to turn a return.
You know what they say though? If it sounds too good to be true, it doesn't last forever. That's the way I would.
But nothing,
but you're right.
Nothing lasts forever.
Yeah, right now it is what it is. You know what? 3 years ago,
I disagree with that. 1 second, sorry.
Never thought they could
Gary,
lose money either.
Bitcoin lasts forever. That's the difference. That's the thing that I'm trying to say. That's the thing I've been trying to say, which is Bitcoin actually is a better solution
you're not working on the market trying to figure out what multiple on the net asset value you should put in. The market determines the price. That is the point that I've been trying to say, which is why are people taking leverage risk? If you really want to take leverage risk, just get a 2x ETF.
Yeah,
You
but
really want that.
No, wait, whoa. I'll take the other side of that trade.
You know what
Because-
you see
because
right
Thaler-
now is there is not other great areas to invest, right? Commercial real estate's dead, housing is dead. So this is a emblematic of the period we're in, right? Emerging markets are absolutely being skunked. If you look at this market right now, healthcare is down 19% from September versus the S&P. You have industrials breaking down. You have banks way overextended. I mean, this is not a market. This is a market that really people want to invest in an alternative, right? Meme coins. Fart coins got a market cap of what, 800, 900 million to this morning? You know, like, this is the environment we're in. And you know what? When the music stops and people start, if you do see a turn down in the meme coins, for instance, and I don't know what would cause it, you know, it's some extraneous event that most people can never get their hands around. But you know what? Real estate and that type of thing could come back if we started to see this market correct in such that people start peeling back holdings of the equity markets and meme coins, especially. I think they're egregious. I just can't. You know what? Sitting here, it's like the pet rock analogy many would have for gold. But the more money that goes into it, the bigger the pain. We have, probably $4.6 trillion in crypto. Part of it's good, right? And part of it is just nonsensical that frustrates, us older people that have experience in the market, right? But it is what it is. And for anyone to say that we do not have a bubble. We do have a bubble. We just didn't have these meme coins back in 2000, right? So it's going somewhere. Imagine if you put all the meme coin money in the long end of the curve. We'd be probably seeing 2% rates because they haven't been issuing the 10-year, right? And who wants to buy the treasury when you're getting on a 10-year right now, you're getting a 4.4% yield. You can make that in an hour in a meme coin. And that is pure.
This guy's like discovered meme
gambling
coins for
at
the
its
first time
finest.
ever. Like, all
Is
right,
what you're
man.
seeing. So that's my take on it.
Mickle?
Yeah, I don't think the question to me is really like whether or not people want crypto. Like, I think emphatically people do. And like what you're seeing is a massive amount of people coming in. I think the question is interesting on MicroStrategy versus Bitcoin, just because like one of the core principles of Bitcoin is no counterparty risk. And it just seems to me you introduce a massive counterparty risk with essentially owning MicroStrategy equity rather than Bitcoin. Now, as a trade, I think it does make sense, because if you're just trying to play price momentum of Bitcoin, and for you, it's like, hey, I just want to capitalize on the movement, then yeah, that's a vehicle to do so. But it just seems to me like you're taking this multiple risk on what you're essentially getting for your purchase of MicroStrategy. To me, it almost seems like MicroStrategy should be on par, if not discounted, to the amount of Bitcoin they hold, because you're taking enormous counterparty risk with someone holding your Bitcoin. You might never get that Bitcoin back or access to it. So to me, it just seems like if you're looking for like a long-term hold, one of the core principles of what makes Bitcoin so special is like you don't have to rely on anyone else, and you don't have to rely on a counterparty, and there's no single entity that's going to blow up your holding. It seems like MicroStrategy is the exact opposite of that. So not saying at all you can't make a ton of money on the trade or catch the momentum. I think it's just important for new people coming in that if you're purchasing MicroStrategy to get access to the qualities of Bitcoin, you're kind of destroying one of Bitcoin's best qualities.
And I think that's what Mickle articulated my concerns around MicroStrategy much better than I would. Because I didn't live through Mt. Gox. I didn't put money in Celsius like Simon did. I didn't give my money to all these other things that sounded, as David Nikotsky said, too good to be true. And ultimately, they all died And what has persisted is Bitcoin. Because there is no counterparty risk. You don't have to trust that Saylor is going to do the right thing when the chips get, get stacked up against him. And I think that I rather trust the market than one person. That's just been the way that and so everybody's got different risk tolerances. You can play MicroStrategy, Gary. I understand the thought process, but a better way to play MicroStrategy, in my opinion, would be for you to borrow money and buy more Bitcoin, just like you're saying. And maybe that is the right move.
Yeah, I agree. Like, why not just do it yourself, right? Like, why are you counting on someone else who could possibly mess it up? Probably can't get the same rates as Saylor in that aspect, but it just seems like to me, like, there are ways to take low LTV loans, get access to more Bitcoin, and not be running your entire holding on someone else not making some kind of mistake or some unintended thing going on.
I don't think anyone suggested that it was an entire holding first.